But we begin this morning with rising fears over the spread of the Omicron variant to more states across America. The strain has already been detected in at least 5 states. Experts think the real number is likely much higher. Yesterday, New York State reported at least 5 cases of the variant, more than any other state. So far, all cases of the strain in the U.S. have been mild, but the uncertainty is taking a toll. Nikki Battiste is tracking the spread.
The holidays are here, and with them, concerns about the Omicron variant, as millions of Americans shop, gather, and travel for the season. On Thursday, New York became the first state to detect multiple Omicron cases, all 5 in the greater New York area.
We have to assume that means there's community spread. We have to assume that means we're going to see a lot more cases.
2 other cases of the Omicron variant were also announced Thursday. Both patients reported mild symptoms. One case was a Colorado woman who had recently returned from southern Africa. She was vaccinated but had not received a booster. The second case was detected in a Minnesota man who received a booster in early November and whose only recent travel was an anime convention in New York City.
What COVID is doing is it's learning. It's adapting.
Dr. Tom Frieden is the former director of the Centers for Disease Control. He says it will take weeks at least before we know if Omicron causes more serious illness or if it can evade our protections.
For those of us who are fully vaccinated, who have had a booster, what should we do in the face of Omicron?
If you're older or immunosuppressed, or you live with someone who's older or immunosuppressed, you're going to want to be more careful. Indoor spaces, I think everyone should be masked. And the more of us who mask up, the safer all of us are.
Health officials are urging all of the 53,000 people who attended the anime convention in New York City to get tested immediately. And Americans who are looking for a shot, whether it's their first or their third, should visit vaccines.gov or text their zip code to 438-829 to find a free vaccine near you. Michelle?
Important to get vaccinated. All of those that we've looked at thus far with the Omicron have been vaccinated people. So, Nikki, thank you.